I'm going to go over putting an hour meter on your gas-powered equipment. Now, this will work on any gas-powered engine with a spark plug. I'm going to be putting one today on the chipper shredder. I've already put one on my trencher, and I'm going to be putting one on my log splitter. Great way to maintain accountability of your hours on your machine, whether you're renting it out or for maintenance purposes. So to do this, you're going to need an hour meter. This particular one, and I'll put a link in the description down below, does not take batteries. It works off of the inductiveness of the spark plug itself. So no batteries to maintain. You're going to need some kind of cutters just to trim the zip strips down, or you can use a razor blade, some electrical tape, and then instead of using the screws that come in the kit to mount the hour meter to your equipment, I like to use this Scotch outdoor double-sided tape. You don't always have plastic to mount the hour meter to, so the double-sided tape is great for putting it on metal. So let's go ahead and get started. Start off, go ahead and just open it up and get the hour meter out and go ahead and grab this wire. You're going to start by locating the spark plug on your machine. Find the spark plug wire, and we're going to wrap the wire that came with our hour meter around the spark plug wire 5 times, and we're going to do that roughly 1.5 inches up from the end of the spark plug boot. Once you have your 5 turns around there, go ahead and use the zip strips to attach it so it doesn't come unwound. And then I also put electrical tape over it to also keep it from coming unwound. And then you can still slide this a little bit if you need to move it farther away from the spark plug, but I think we're going to be good there. So now go ahead and unravel your wire here. And then go ahead and feed it into the back of the hour meter. You'll see a little slit back in there. Just make sure it's all the way across. I have it poking out maybe 1/8 of an inch on the end here. And you can use a credit card, debit card, or anything else to kind of get it down in there. Or even the packaging it came with. Find a nice spot where you want to mount it. We want to stay away from the exhaust or anything hot. And we probably should have wrapped up some of the slack around something before I attached it to the meter itself. Why don't we do that? I'm going to take this back out of here and I'm going to wrap it through here just to get rid of some of the slack. And that won't affect its function having it wrapped around something. This is all plastic where I'm putting it. It's nowhere near anything hot. It's not near any of the moving parts. So this will be perfect. So now I'll go ahead and feed it through there like I had it. And again, they give you a couple screws that you can put through here, but I prefer the double-sided tape. And this is really good outdoor tape. I'll put a link to this in the description as well. But this stuff works great through all the weather. I use it for my mailbox letters on my mailbox. I cut up license plates and use those letters. Works out great. You can see them in the bad weather because they're reflective. Never gonna wear out like the little stickers you get at the store. Alright, so once I got that peeled off, I can go ahead and attach this. Okay, so there we have it. Got it all installed. I'll show you where I put it here. Got my excess wrapped up around there, and then the meter is right in a nice little spot right back here. Nice and out of the way. So now let's go ahead and start the machine up. I'm going to let it run a few minutes. I'll time lapse that, and we'll verify that the hour meter is working. So there you have it. Works no problem. If for whatever reason it wouldn't be reading properly, make sure you have that coil wound about 1.5 inches away from the end of the spark plug boot. Again, put this on your lawnmower, your chainsaw, your chipper shredder, anything with a gas engine that takes a spark plug. Really hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit it with a like and subscribe to the channel. Always more stuff coming, and I appreciate the support.